Hi, fourth graders. All right, let's look over our homework from 1-7 from January 7th, page 281 and 282. We had numbers 1, 2, 4, 7, and 8 on this page, and 15 on the next page. So, for number 1, 2, and 4, you had to use the picture to help you figure out the missing parts. So we had 66, and we divided it into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. How many are in each group? Well, there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's how we get the 16 there. Number 2 told us we had 136, and we divided it into 4 groups. How many are in each group then? Well, if we count them out, we get 34. Number 4. We needed to figure out a lot of stuff for this one. So we know we have 76, and we're dividing it by how many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups. Now, how much is in each group? We have 25 in each group, but we have a remainder that are one guy left over. Number 7 wanted you to draw the pictures like it was up here. Okay? So you had 96 divided by 8. So remember we did this in our notes where we had our 96 to start, and then we tried to split it into the right number of groups we needed. So this time we'd set up 8 groups. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we'd split up our tens. We'd go from our biggest to smallest tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have one more, so we split our tens into ones. So now instead of 6 left over, we have 16 ones. Okay? Then we split that up, and we get 2 in each. So how much is within each group of 8? 12. Our quotient is 12. For number 8, we had to do the same thing, but with 51 and only 2 groups this time. So we split up our tens, and we get 4 tens in each. We had to break up our last group of 10 into ones instead of 1, 1. Now we have 11 ones. And now we separate those out, and we are left with 1 outside. We have 25, remainder 1 for our quotient. Then, on the back page, we had just one problem, number 15. Nancy's planting 44 plants in each row in her garden. There's 7 plants in each row. 44 plants in rows, and she needs 7 plants in a row. We need to figure out how many are left over. So this time, what you would want to do is set up your 44 divided by 7 and split that up into 7 groups. You need to split your 10, but you can't even do that, so you got to split your 10s down even smaller. And you would be left with 6, you'd have 6 rows, and we'd have 2 plants left over. 2 plants left over. All right, so that was math today. Thanks for doing that before our Zoom call. Also, make sure you do your quiz to check in with Mrs. Wells on how you're feeling on division, okay? And then, when we join together, we will play Prodigy together. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.